Hello. Welcome to another edition of the tutorial on budget monitoring system. In this episode, I am demonstrating how the data entry under repairs and maintenance form is performed. From the index page, select form types. Scroll down and select motor vehicles, repairs and maintenance. The repairs and maintenance data entry form is displayed. You can see the title, department, office, demand, and head of account details in the top pane. Select Plan or Non-Plan drop-down and select Non-Plan. Select Voted or Charged from the Voted or Charged drop-down. Click the Lock button. Now it turns to Unlock. The first field below is the Types of Vehicles drop-down. You can see a list of available vehicles in the list. Select Car for example. Enter the vehicle registration number. Enter the make and year of the vehicle. Next, monthly average repair charges in rupees. The actual expenditure in the previous year. Here you can see the budget estimates for current year is disabled. The details can be entered later in the abstract form. That will be covered in another episode. Enter the actual expenditure for the first 5 months. Enter the revised estimates. You may notice that the budget estimates for the next year is automatically fixed. Now click the Save button. You see some error message mentioning to enter the revised estimates. That is, there was no entry earlier there. Now enter the details and click Save button. The Saved Successfully message pop-ups. The details entered can be seen the list of available data below. Now select another vehicle as car again. Enter the vehicle registration number. Enter the make and year. Fill the monthly average repair charges. Fill the details of the actual expenditure for first 5 months and also the revised estimates. Click the Save button and now you see the Saved Successfully message. The details entered can be seen in the list of available data. You can select any vehicle type and fill the rest of the fields. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. And expect more tutorials in the coming episodes.